Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sumati. I'm an immigration consultant and immigration lawyer based in Bangalore, India. And today we are going to discuss find jobs or the government jobs that is available in the Canadian portal. So this is a Canada portal. This sort of videos is very less available in the YouTube, and most of my clients are asking us to get a job from Canada. If you are within Canada, we can do something, and if you are out of Canada, we cannot do anything on that, because you know that LMIA work permit, which is all very serious issue that we have to face. But if you are within Canada, definitely we can help you in this regard. So today's topic is find a job within Canada. And last couple of videos we have discussed job bank, and today we are going to discuss the government of Canada's job. If you can click on this portal, you will be redirected to this portal, right? So you will be redirected to this portal, and so they have all sort of options that find government jobs and self declared when you apply, student job and invest inventories for graduates, jobs in national security and defense, hiring and assisting Canadian candidates, public service pay and pension and benefits, former ministry and staff. As you know, Canada is the second largest country and very less youth populations are there, so they really wanted people to come to Canada and work, but they definitely see the potential client coming in, right? So once I click on this find government jobs, there are many jobs are available: analyst, auditors and financial officers, clerk, administration specialist, and department planning and coordination officers, general administration services clerk, information management manager, IT manager, postdoctoral fellowship and postdoctoral fellow, lot of other categories. So let's click one by one and discuss. So if you can click on this auditorial jobs, Canadian Dairy Commission, auditor and financial officers, so all the information has been given here. So intermediate and determined acting secondment and assignments, and the salary ranges are 66,223 to 88,849. That is very huge salary. So this is absolutely government of Canada's Dairy Commissions, and closing date is 26th March 2024. And who can apply is person residing in Canada. So when you are within Canada, you can still apply without, if you are not having a work permit, still you can try with these jobs. Canadian citizens can definitely apply, and permanent resident resides in abroad resides. See, if you are staying out of Canada, still you can apply for it. All the information is being detailedly given in this. You can go how to apply also. They have given detailed informations, work environment, how the work environment will be there, why work at CDC. You should understand, because while attending the interview they might ask a couple of questions. Intent of the process, then informations you must provide, your resume, your updated resume and your cover letter is mandatory. All your educational details they are looked for, and experience level, they are looking at least 2 years of experience in the accounting operation, account related receivable and account payable experience. And if you process any of the following, your application must also clearly explain how you made it, other qualifications and all these things. You just go through it, and you can click on this. You can send email, but they are strictly say that please apply through online is what their condition is. Log into the portal, so you will get a login, your email ID and the password. You have your own login ID and create, so that you can send n number of jobs within your own portal. The next is analytics job. So that is also is like between 74,000, almost 75 to 96,000. That is huge salary amount, because it is a government job. Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institution of Canada. So This also is a person who's residing in Canada or Canadian citizens, permanent resident out of who are already become a permanent resident, and staying out of Canada or within Canada can apply for this job. And duties and responsibilities also has been mentioned there, and environment. All those information you can go through once. Terms and condition you can read, then you can click on apply online. You will get your own portal so that you can continue applying for this job, right? Next is clerk and administrations. So the salary is 55,955,000 rupees, almost 56,000 to 60,000 rupees is the salary. So it is also the condition applicable. This is for the Quebec, Montreal Island. This is Ontario, and this is Toronto, Ontario. And department planning and coordination offices, 72,000 to 77,000 is what they are giving as a salary. Indigenous service in Canada and corporate secretariat. This also, if you are not a citizen, also can apply. If you are not a permanent resident, also can be applied. And the general administrative service clerk, Nova Scotia, 56,000 to 61,000 rupees is the salary. You must be knowing that for certain provisions they are asking for bilingual, meaning you should be knowing French as well. Certain distinctions they are certain provinces they are asking only English as an essential. See, for the Ottawa, Ontario, bilingual is mandatory because it is in Ontario, so they are looking for bilingual. Again, if you are looking for Alberta, Edmonton IT manager, so just looking for English essential. That is 101,000 to more than, it is a lakh, right? The salary is huge amount. It is a government job, so you are within Canada, you can always approach us. If you are able to do it by yourself, you can apply by yourself. If you want her service too, if you want our service, we are there for you to help, or we are there to help you. And yeah, for Saskatchewan, they are looking for high throughput plan, pinotyping, and through deep learning kind of job they are looking for. It is English is essential, they are not looking for French. So 74,000 to 103,000, that is 1,03,000 rupees. And postdoctoral fellow, that is also huge salary, and they are looking only English as an essential language. So there are huge jobs that we are encounter a lot, but deadline is mandatory. We have to meet the deadlines. Before deadline, we have to send our resume and cover letter so that they can shortlist and arrange the interview. Before applying for any jobs, please keep your mind open. Keep your resume according to the requirement. Don't randomly keep applying for the job, and don't downsize yourself, and don't minimize your potential. Please research your job requirement, prepare your resume, cover letter, add recent photo in that, and prepare for your interview. Take time on this, and then you apply for it, and you will definitely get a relevant job. That's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Any kind of support in terms of OCI visa, Indian e-visas, or FRRO services, or Canadian job search, you can always approach us. If you are within Canada, we can definitely do something. If you are outside of Canada, we cannot. So for more such videos, do like our videos and subscribe to our channels. That's all for the day. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you.